Hey all y'all skaters out there. Today's video is I'm calling it an alley-oop 270 on a ramp or transition right here. It's super fun. You have to go up at an angle to do this. I would first be comfortable doing 180s. Pretty much not just 180s on an arc kind of, but 180s kind of straight up and down the ramp to where you're following the same line. You know, I'll do one like this and go like this. So follow the line. Okay, so if you're comfortable doing these 180s up and down, straight up and down where you're returning in the same line, which is pretty technically hard, so you can start testing the alley-oop by just going a little beyond straight up and down. Like, I'll get a little pump going and start off going really low on the ramp. Go at a little bit of an angle.
Oh.
Go around like that. Okay. So, and as you get comfortable with doing these, you'll increase and get more aggressive with the arc and the height of the, not only going up the ramp, but the height of jumping, which I'm not at yet. I'm just learning these. So, but to do this, you want to be in a staggered stance. And the way I'm doing them, I don't think, again, there's no right or wrong, but the way I'm doing them, I'm left foot forward, which is my normal way, most comfortable way. And I'm going up the transition, carving to the left, like this. Okay, and so my shoulders are already open, and I'm going to turn to my right when I do it. And when you do these, you really want to look over the shoulder that you're going to turn into. Almost put your chin on your shoulder and spin your upper body. And when you do this, you really want to stay over the front of yourself and keep your weight forward, because when you land doing the alley-oop, you're kind of traveling or floating backwards, and then you're going forward again. So it's very easy to loop backwards, which I've done a bunch of times. So we'll try these, a few of them, and you guys will see what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna get a little pump going. A little bit of a pump. Try to get my mark eyed out.
Oh.
And just jump around. Do it again over here. Go a little higher.
Oh, cool.
And it's so cool because you're like floating, traveling backwards. You're not doing a full 360 or not a 180, but in between. So it's just another trick that you guys can add into your bag of tricks. I'll do it again. Ready? I stay real low and I land.
Oh!
Wasn't the best one. But you get the idea of it.
All right.
So, one more trick for you guys to maybe learn. You guys have any pointers or tips on how you guys have figured out? We'd love to hear them down below in the comments. So, hopefully you guys found this video fun and useful and helpful. If you did, hit the like, and for more content, hit that bell. And we always appreciate you guys checking out our channel as always. Until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye.